The parable pipeline, wow, what a beautiful concept. It's changed my life like anything. Parable pipeline. Eat that frog first. Huge things, man. Multiple changes are going to be there. Multiple transformations happen in my life because of these series. Okay, this is one such a series. Of course, every time whenever the points are going to be connected, I will explain for you people. Okay, the first topic, day one, a historical sketch of Babylon. A historical sketch of Babylon, how the Babylon will be. So I have one doubt, the richest man in Babylon. Really Babylon is there? Or just only for book series, storytelling sake, the other created place? Anyone, have you ever thought in this direction? Yeah, Mahesh?
Yeah, I searched after the listening to the title, sir. Where is Babylon?
Yes. Have you found the answer?
It looks like author created some fictional
Place?
place, I think.
No. No.
Babylon
Physically,
is this?
Just checking, I think it is in Iraq or
physically
something.
it is there in Iraq. Almost
Iraq.
around 60 to 90 kilometers far from Baghdad. Baghdad, like Iraq, capital, I hope.
Oh, okay.
Okay, it was there. It was there. In the 2019, UNESCO recognized this as UNESCO. UNESCO gave the recognition for this. Okay, like thousands of years. It was filled with desert, it was filled with sand. But now archaeologist people, okay, they did some research kind of thing. They got shocked like anything by saying this.
It's a real story.
Real place. But the characters, but learnings, all these things, maybe some frictional kind of storytelling where the things will be there. But the place, the importance, all these things are real. Babylon. If you open the Google, just you can see Babylon images like original images you people are going to get.